Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragnya, and in today's video I am going to share with you all about makeup organizers. So makeup organizers are something which can make your life more easier, and today's video is going to be all about that. So I have two makeup organizers with me, and one is this. So as you can see how I have arranged all my lipsticks and nail polishes and the other stuffs in this small organizers. So I have bought two organizers. One is from Amazon and the other one is from Miniso. So I will give you some tips and tricks to organize your vanity and make it look neat and clean. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first organizer which I have with me is from Amazon, and the packaging looks like this. It has a cardboard packaging, as you can see, and the packaging is really very sturdy, I must say. This is a very sturdy packaging because the product is a acrylic product and it can break, so they have given a very nice and sturdy packaging. I really like that. And here is the product. I bought it 2 or 3 days back, so I haven't organized it yet, and I will keep my lipsticks here because I have another organizer which I have bought from Miniso. So as you can see, I have put some random stuffs. I have put all my lipsticks here, I have put all my nail polishes and nail polish remover here, and here at the back are some kajals and lip liners, and here is also my mascara, and here are some liquid lipsticks and crayon lipsticks, and here are some other stuffs. These are primers and BB plus and some other random stuffs. So I will like to organize it a little bit more because I want to keep my skincare stuffs and nail polishes here, and I want to transfer all my lipsticks here because as you can see, it is good for storing your lipsticks. It doesn't have a space for storing your skincare products. And this one, which is from Miniso, it has a big compartment here, so I can store some of my skincare products here. So I will arrange it and I will show it how it looks. So the first organizer which I have bought from Amazon, let me check out the price. So the MRP is 399 rupees and I bought this on 200 rupees, so that's a 50% off, and it's a really very good deal. And the Miniso one, I didn't remember the price, but it was in between 200 to 250 rupees. So guys, these makeup organizers are really very affordable, so if you want any of them, you can surely go. And I have also attached some links at the description box, so if you want to buy, you can go and click on the link and buy any makeup organizers. So these makeup organizers cost you in between 250 or 300 rupees, so you can surely get yourselves one or two or multiple ones, depends on how much stuff you have. And these makeup organizers really make your life very easier, guys, and it also keeps your vanity very clean, and you can simply keep your all stuffs arranged here like this, and that makes you very easier to find your stuffs, and your vanity also looks very neat and clean, and you will save a lot more space. And the first one which I have, you can store 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 24 lipsticks here. So if you have a nail polish which has a rounded kind of a shape, I don't have one right now, so I have nail polishes like this. These are from L18. This will not go into this because it has a small space. So if you have a rounded kind of a nail polish, you can also make this a nail polish storage, but I will like to make it a lipstick storage because most of the lipsticks will go into this. So now let's quickly arrange this, and I will show you how I arranged my stuff. So guys, I have arranged my two organizers, and let me show you how I did that. So I have transferred all my lipsticks here at the new organizer which I have bought from Amazon. So you can see I have arranged all the lipsticks. So you can completely arrange your lipsticks as you like. You can arrange them according to brands, you can arrange them according to colors, and however you like. I just arrange them according to colors. So I have put all the brown lipsticks here, and at here these four are the orange lipsticks, and at the middle row I have put my pink lipsticks and red lipsticks, and at the front I have put the purple ones. So I still have some space to put the lipsticks. And the old organizer which I had from Miniso, I just replaced it with some skincare products and some makeup products. So as you can see, I have put some aloe vera gels and makeup removers and my liquid foundations here. And at the back I have put some face primers and illuminators. And at the back, let me show you, I have put some mascara and kajals, and here are also two or three lip liners. And at this portion I have put all my nail polishes. And as I have told you that I have these nail polishes, these are from L18, and these nail polishes doesn't go directly into this. So I just put it upside down, and it is even better because you can see the colors even more clearer. So I just arrange this like this, as you can see. So guys, what you are waiting for, just go and grab yourself some makeup organizers and arrange your makeup and make your vanity look more cleaner and neater. So that is it for today guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell notification beside the subscribe button, so whenever I upload a video you will get notified. And also share this video with your friends, and don't forget to comment down below whatever you think about my videos and how you arrange your makeup organizer and where you get them from. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay tuned and stay safe. Bye bye guys.